Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing 10 delicious and healthy anti-inflammatory smoothie recipes that are perfect for beginners. These recipes are not only packed with nutrients, but also help to reduce inflammation in the body. So let's get started. Our first recipe is the tropical turmeric smoothie. This vibrant and refreshing smoothie combines the goodness of pineapple, mango, turmeric, and ginger. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, while pineapple and mango provide a boost of vitamins and minerals. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy. Next up, we have the berry spinach detox smoothie. This green smoothie is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds from berries and spinach. Add a splash of almond milk and a tablespoon of chia seeds for added nutrition. Blend until creamy and enjoy this detoxifying smoothie. Moving on to our third recipe, the mango ginger turmeric smoothie. This tropical delight combines the sweetness of mango with the spiciness of ginger and the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric. Don't forget to add a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Blend until smooth and indulge in this delicious smoothie. Our fourth recipe is the pineapple mango anti-inflammatory smoothie. This tropical combination of pineapple and mango not only tastes amazing, but also provides a wealth of anti-inflammatory properties. Add a scoop of collagen powder for extra support to your joints and skin. Blend until creamy and savor every sip of this nutritious smoothie. Next, we have the blueberry ginger smoothie. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, and ginger adds a spicy kick along with its anti-inflammatory benefits. This smoothie also includes a banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy this delightful treat. Moving on to our sixth recipe, the spinach avocado green smoothie. Avocado lends a creamy texture and healthy fats to this smoothie, while spinach adds an abundance of vitamins and minerals. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for acidity and blend until creamy and smooth. This smoothie is a nutritional powerhouse. For our seventh recipe, let's make the berry beet smoothie. Beets are known for their anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Combined with berries and a splash of coconut water, this smoothie becomes a tasty and nutritious way to fight inflammation. Blend until vibrant and enjoy. Next up, we have the golden milk smoothie. This creamy and comforting smoothie combines the flavors of turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. These spices are not only delicious, but also provide anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting benefits. Blend all the ingredients together until creamy and indulge in this golden delight. Moving on to our ninth recipe, let's make the cherry almond smoothie. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to reduce inflammation. Combine them with almond milk and a handful of almonds for a creamy and nutty flavor. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy this nutritious treat. Last but not least, we have the kale pineapple green smoothie. This vibrant green smoothie combines the goodness of kale, pineapple, and a squeeze of lime. Kale is packed with vitamins and minerals, while pineapple adds a tropical twist to the flavor. Blend until smooth and enjoy this refreshing and anti-inflammatory smoothie. And there you have it, 10 must-try anti-inflammatory smoothie recipes for beginners. We hope you found these recipes helpful and delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. See you next time.